I'm working on a 2003 Dodge Grand Caravan, and I don't have any movement happening with my window on my passenger side, and I don't know if it's the switch or if it's the window regulator motor that's causing the problem. It's been intermittent. Times it'll work and at times it won't. But it's rather inconvenient when it doesn't work and it's raining and you need for it to go up. So I looked for some videos to see how to do this, and I found it rather hard to find any help. Most people want to show you how to put the regulator in and or replace the switch, but they don't actually show you how to test this. It should be pretty universal between all cars. I've already removed the door panel to make this easier to see, and I have disconnected the plug that plugs into the window regulator motor. The plug's right there. I've got the plug probed, and I've got two wires connected to my probes. Those two wires are going over here to my voltage tester, and I've got it set for 20 volts AC. Excuse me, DC. And now I've also reconnected up my switch, so it's part of the system. We're going to test the switch. If this switch works, we're going to see voltage reading here. When I push the switch down, we'll see either a positive or negative voltage. When I push the switch up, we'll see the opposite, because this switch works by reversing the polarity of the voltage going to the window regulator. So I'm going to push it down first, and you can see I got 12 volts. Now if I push the window switch up, I get 12 volts but reversed polarity. So we can assume that the switch is sending voltage down here to this plug, which is normally plugged into the window regulator motor. So I can safely assume that I've got a bad window regulator, because at this moment when I tested it, it wasn't working. I also did directly connect voltage to the electrical leads coming out of that plug, which you can barely see there, and got nothing, no response at all, by hooking 12 volts up, positive and negative, to the two leads, which I should have gotten some kind of response. And I even reversed the polarity to see if I was actually trying to close the window when it was already closed, but no movement either way. So I've got a bad window regulator motor. So I hope that helps you, and good luck.